Muulan ng no today. Hey, good afternoon. Si Jeff ini. Thank you so much for answering my call lang. So currently, ang imo talaga purpose is you're looking for life insurance. No. Educational plan. Tama ba? Kasi sa FWD, may kami mga life insurance plan na may kaupod na siyang educational plan. Diba? 26? Actually, 26 free ako sa 26 afternoon. O sige, I'll see you at 4 p.m. sa Thursday. Hey, good afternoon, si Jeff to. Uy, nakakabala ba ako? Or kagigising mo lang? Ay, sorry na, okay lang ba? Kahit 1 minute lang. Oh, I see. Eh, baka gusto mo isama na rin sa pag-establish yan. Mag-reach out ako sa'yo na lang in the future pag okay na kayo. Thank you, bye-bye. Wala. Negative. 3 calls. So far, 2 no na kagad. That's what I do. Some would say interested pero wala pang time. Some would say yes, sige go. Some naman would say wala muna sa considerations nila for now. That's life. So kakape muna ako ng very quick lang, ilang minuto tapos tatawag ulit tayo ng kaya.
The number you have dialed is either unattended or
Yun lang.
the number you have dialed is incorrect. Your number cannot be complete.
Most likely di updated din nga number. It's another no. Pero I'm happy kasi I was able to schedule naman. Ako nung sa nga ka-chat, schedule ko siya tonight. Happy naman kasi so far may nanakduwa nga na book. Yesterday morning may nakampang nakaliwat. Limit ko lang sila sa Saturday. Pero nagapong tulog client meetings na naka-standby for the rest of the week. So kung di rin pa ka sa mga libre ka, ready mo sa discuss, financial planning, let's go. I can offer my service for free.